All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at Jesus pendants. These are fully iced, bust down. Check that out. Micropave CZ stones. Now, here's the backside. This is solid 925 sterling silver, guys. It's not brass or stainless steel. There's your stamp right there on the bale. Caged back for extra support. All right, and it's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Solid sterling silver Jesus pieces. Look at that shine. Look at that, guys. Get it on our website, blingcartel.com. Free shipping in the US, quick service, beautiful pieces, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.